Let us help you explore some practical ways to reduce your fuel consumption and make every single drop stretch a little bit further. First, improve your gas mileage. It's not just what you drive, but how you drive. Ease off the pedal. Driving a bit slower makes a massive difference. Every 5 mile per hour you drive over 50 miles per hour can increase your fuel consumption by 7% to 14%. Smooth moves. Decelerating and accelerating more gently can reduce fuel consumption by an impressive 10% to 40%, depending on your previous driving habits. Show your car some love. Keep up with routine maintenance. Proper tire pressure, regular wheel alignments, and clean air filters all keep your engine running efficiently. Second, find the lowest cost gas. A little research goes a long way before you fill up the tank. Use technology. Apps like GasBuddy are fantastic for finding the lowest cost gas near you in real time. Leverage groceries. Take advantage of grocery store reward programs that reduce your cost per gallon at the pump. Pay with cash. Many stations offer a reduced cost per gallon if you pay in cash to avoid credit card fees. Plus, spending physical cash is a great trick for keeping your overall budget in check. Skip the premium. Unless your car's manual explicitly requires it, standard unleaded is perfectly fine. Don't pay for premium gas if you don't need to. Shift your daily habits. Small behavioral changes can add up to huge savings over the month. Plan your routes. Batch your errands together and map out the most efficient route possible to avoid backtracking. Buddy up. Carpool with neighbors or coworkers when possible. Trading off driving duties means both of you save money. Think spring. Enjoy the nicer weather by using alternative transportation. Biking, walking, or hopping on public transportation, like the free KC streetcar, are great ways to give your car and your wallet a break. Your budget matters, and a few small adjustments can help offset these rising costs. Feel free to share these tips with friends and family who could use a little extra room in their budget this month.